Hello families, I am making this little tutorial for you to help you figure out how to reach Second Grade Rock's Canvas page. And then on our Canvas page, I want to show you some of the programs that we use in our classroom on a daily basis. So when kids are at home, they can practice their math and reading or do some research, a variety of things. So the first thing that you will need to do on whichever device your kiddo is going to be using is get to this page that you can see on the screen, KPB SD. Once you get here, you are going to scroll down until you see this big red box that says Canvas. Click on that. Your student will have to sign in with their student login, which most of them should have memorized by now. If not, I can sure make a copy and send that home to you or send it on Dojo. Then your student will arrive at their dashboard. Their dashboard is going to look a lot different than mine. It's likely that the only thing they'll have on there is Our Classroom. Learning is Fun, Second Grade Rocks. When you click on this, it's linked directly to Our Classroom page. Second Grade Rocks, there it is. When you get to this page, you can scroll down until you see our welcome. And here we are. Welcome to Second Grade with Mrs. Fournier. The first thing you're going to notice on our page is contact information. So this is how to contact me. It also has Class Dojo here. This is not actually linked to Class Dojo. I think all of you have got this on your phones, and so this is my probably major mode of communication, and it's just a reminder that this is one way you can get a hold of me. If I can ever figure out how to link the Class Dojo to my page so that you could just click on this, I will do that and let you know. From there, you can scroll down. And here it says this is the chart where most of our apps and programs that we use will be linked in. Right now we have Lexia Core 5, Epic Books, AR Renaissance Place Reading and Quizzes, iReady Math, and if I scroll down a little bit more, I have found this awesome, kid-safe, well-vetted research website for kids called Kiddle. All of these pictures are linked, so you can just click on any of them and they should take you directly to the place you want to go. Lexia is a reading program. Epic is books and videos. I prefer the kids read the books. For struggling readers, there's a lot of books that are read to me, but there's also a lot of books on there available for kids that want to practice their reading. When you get there, this is our class code. And then AR Reading, which is accelerated reading. This site is the place where kids can go and they put in the title of the AR books that they've read, and then they can take a quiz. So reading the AR books, taking the assigned quiz that goes with it is earning them points towards their AR reading goal. It's not a site where you can actually find the books and read them. Epic, however, does have AR books listed in it, and so that would be a home resource. And then iReady Math. This is our reading curriculum that we are using throughout the district. When the kids go there, the two things that they should be looking for are, number one, the assignments that I've given. And once the assignments are completed, then they should spend some time on their own personal iReady Math learning path. And from there, if they complete a lesson or a task, they could go to the iReady Math games, which the kids absolutely love. And so there you go. This is what I have available at the moment. I will continue to add things as I find quality learning sites that the kids enjoy or projects. If you have any questions, let me know and I will try to answer those for you. Okay, hope you guys enjoy having this home-based resource. Thanks.